Butterflies? Yeah. Go ahead. Don't jump. You ready, Heidi? Oh. Okay, so today we're going to be on basket boats. Going on a basket boat tour right now. We haven't done many tours since we've been here. We've been kind of laid back, relaxed. Gone into Ancient Town a couple of times, that's about it. But more of just a laid back kind of time for us. But we wanted to book a tour. We wanted to do this since our first time in Vietnam, and now we're doing it. So they picked us up at the hotel, at our Airbnb, drove us here. We took a golf cart and had some passion fruit juice, and now we're doing the tour. So check us out. Let's go!
It's hard work, right?
So heavy. It feels heavy, right? So Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
You remember how we say it? Chok mong nam moi? Very close. Yeah, set a boat. Hold on to your oar. So this is a tour that Megan's been wanting to do for a while. We just never got around to it. Little crabs. They're crabs. Oh, here we go. I got pretty full on the river. Oh, he's going so fast up here.
Okay, we gotta take a break because we're getting too close. We're gonna watch him. We will.
missed the dancing, and they're just getting the tips now. He's collecting his tips after he was dancing. I feel like I'm back home on the Canal River right now. Bunch of cruise and boats. Everybody's jamming out. Maybe some dancing going on. So much fun. Like, everybody's out here having a great time. The kids are enjoying the fishing and the spinning and seeing the other folks spinning. Yeah, I highly recommend this kind of tour. Oh. Ryan, you gotta go fishing again. How do you have fun? Okay, we're nearing the end of the boat ride, and now we're going to go back to Vu's house. He's our host, and and I think we're going to go eat some fruit over there, because you can get it with just the boat ride, or you can get it with the boat ride in. Some food. So we're going to go eat some food. Somebody mentioned a cooking class, but I don't think it's a cooking class. I think it's just food. actually reading a little bit about the basket boats and their origin. And what did you read?
That when the French started taxing boats, then the fishermen made the baskets because they weren't taxed. They were just baskets that you could float in. So that's how they avoided the taxes.
Nice. So yesterday was Tet, so the Lunar New Year. So a lot of the flags and everything are still up from that. It still goes on for like several days. Like there'll be some
2 weeks.
Yeah, some places are closed for like 2 weeks. They celebrate for like 2 weeks. Everybody's just happy today. Everybody's happy today. Everybody's happy to be out on a boat and no rain.
We just couldn't get one. Got him. Oh no. We can't
No
catch
luck
them
today.
No luck. Maybe they're not hungry.
Like when you fish a grandpa, you don't catch anything. Oh, this is where we got in.
Yeah, this is our stop.
So this tour that we booked also came with food afterwards, and this is what we're having.
Oh, is it trash? Trash goes right here.
Okay, I will select for you.
All right, that's going to conclude our tour. We're going to dig in and have some lunch now with all this delicious food that they made us, and hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you let us know where you're watching from. First time watching, go like this and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, y'all.
Like this, guys. See you next video.
Heidi, tell them to like and subscribe. Say like and subscribe.